A very good morning. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm here, Muhammad Mainuddin, once again back with a new topic, career management. Learn how to manage career. So before discussing with that, yes, I was a bit inactive on YouTube, on my channel for due to various reasons. Since work from home is continuously going on, and I'm a bit busy in that as well, so I couldn't get any much time to do that. But still, I appreciate your support and love I received, and also appreciate all the human beings uh, who are, capable of identifying new skills and talent during this pandemic, and Alhamdulillah, uh, they are staying home and stay safe. So a humble request to you, all of you, stay home, stay safe. Yes, definitely, these are the challenging time, but believe me, these are the learning times as well. We never thought of, and we never thought of, and we never habituated of doing work from home continuously. But initially, when work from home started in the last year, it was thought it will not going to work. But see, most of the employees are now, they are saying no to work. They are ready to continue on work from home because they are meeting the expectations, they are meeting the productivity and everything. So by considering this, let's start learn how to manage a career. So basically what happened is, we have to manage our career. There is a one ladder called success. If you want to achieve success, you need to manage your career in a better way. It's like fueling your car so that it keeps running without any obstacles. In the same way, we have to come up with the goals, short-term goals, long-term goals, or plans to improve ourselves, to negotiate better, to understand the current market trends, and to you know and to survive in the difficult and challenging times. So let's start. I have prepared this slide of PPT of 7 slides. Inshallah, it will help you to understand and manage your career effectively. Career by accident. So first point here I mentioned is career by accidents. I have noticed most of the people, most of the people are fallen career by accident. So what's happening is, an MBA graduate or an engineer or a doctor, okay, what happens due to family responsibilities, due to he is the only bread earner in the family, due to some medical issues, there are various reasons for which they sacrifice their career. Instead of looking for a job in the field, they started jobs in another fields like call center or any other freelancing. By doing that, they are getting habituated to that. They forget, or they sacrifice their mainstream, they forget. And also remember, and many people tend to earn a short money. So now there are many gamers who are earning thousands of rupees, lakhs of rupees, but this is a short money. There is a short money that you have to, there your luck and your destiny also play an important role. Okay, so by considering that, I have drafted few points. Let's go through it one by one and let's see how effectively it is. Most people fall in career by accident. Yes, true. uh, for example, you have a sister, he has a sister. To get married, he need to earn very well, or he has family issues. So what he will do, he or she, what he will do, they will select a career, they will try to grab a job, whatever stream it may be. They learn it, and to get things done at their end. So in this form, what happened, most people fall in career by accident. They don't love to do that. But now Swiggy and Zomato or Uber or whatever the delivery portals we have, you may see many talented people, engineering people, doctors. I know one doctor. Due to pandemic, and due to less opportunities, and due to huge challenging opportunities, they are not finding a good jobs with a good pay. So they are forced to choose their career by accident. Now I know one person, he's nine, so he is a mashallah very talented and Gulf written person, and one person from United Kingdom, UK. So both are, both came to Hyderabad and try to get settled here, but recently pandemic hits them very badly that they forced to select a career by mistake, and they are delivering food in the delivery channels and delivery portals. So now after pandemic also they are not finding any super suitable opportunities, so they are continuing that. So I told them, yes, you continue there, but don't focus the goal and improve your skills, whatever the main area of your interest, whatever your education you did, based on that try to grab an opportunity. This is temporary, okay, but don't switch this from temporary to permanent basis. So we have to do that. So then there are many scenarios where they might enjoy success, find themselves stuck in a job that's not fulfilling. There are many situations, there are many reasons. If you want to ask any person what you want to do, like from beginning, like uh, there is a dream, there is a goal set up for each and every individual. Yes, they wanted to become a pilot, they wanted to become a cricketer, but they are in a field there they are not fulfilling. The Zomato, the delivery portals, whatever the example I have given earlier, that point exactly fits here. Yes, they are maybe enjoying the money, enjoying the benefits, but they expect themselves that their needs and their satisfaction is not fulfilling. Okay, so we need to think of that. So these are the elements where indirectly we humans pushed to in a wrong fields, so as to earn a bread, so as to fulfill our daily requirements. Now the most difficult part is cost of living is increasing day by day, so everything is getting very costlier compared to last year or prior to that. So now people are, if you want to go anywhere as well, they need vehicle, they need fuel, which is very costly as well. To fuel your vehicle also you need money, so that's where many people are selecting a career by accident. Now in our portal we may receive hundreds of daily requests. There are many talented people from around the world, due to pandemic, lost the jobs, lost the family members, lost financial abilities. They are now ready to sacrifice, and they are saying that we are ready for any openings, please let us know, please let us know, please let us know. And they are ready to sacrifice their caliber as well. They are ready to join as a fresher at very lower pay. Okay, I know of one of my friend. He is a mechanical engineer. He was settled in Saudi Arabia, Middle East, for a longer part of time, but due to pandemic, he hit very hard that he lost his father. Okay, and one more family friend of his he lost, and now he is sacrificing his career and everything. He started his job with a very less pay. Okay, so that's what. But still, I see that satisfaction is missing on his face. Yes, he's saying, yes, I'm doing to fulfill my requirements, daily needs and all. Okay, third point, we will move forward. By contrast of what you do, whether that's climbing the corporate ladder, starting your own business, or perhaps going part-time. Okay, so it doesn't matter, as I said earlier, it doesn't matter whether you are reaching at corporate level or starting out your own business, but or doing any part-time or freelancing jobs. So these are the elements where career by accident. Yes, there was a requirement in MNC where communication skills was important for voice process. Engineer joined, BTech or MTech engineer, student joined. They start sacrificing their careers. Okay. Then the fourth point, which is very important, which personally I felt, I have spent not a long time with people, but I found out most of the people face the same sort of issues trying to decide what to do next. The main issue in the current scenario for the current generation of people, what's happening is we are not ready, we don't have any action plan of action, that we don't know anything. We are not ready for change, we don't have any plan as such ready with us. If plan A doesn't work out, plan B will do. We don't have that. And also we are not able to decide what to do next. Even though we are having a caliber, there are plenty of examples where people are running, but we are not ready, we have not decided ourselves what we are going to do next. So we need to think on that. Many people who is having many skills like cooking skills, or arts and crafts skills, drawing skills, educational skills, they are not using that. There are plenty of online platforms available for you to learn as well as earn, but we are not ready for that. Then they generally haven't spent enough time focusing on what work suits them the best, what the long and short term goals are. As I discussed initially as well, that they generally haven't spent enough time focusing on what's the best work suits them and what their long and short term goals are. So in Hyderabad, I will tell you an example. You will find an MBA and engineer in each and every home. So there are 50% of engineers. If I ask them why you have chosen engineering, if you are not sure about it, they will say my family member forced, my friends forced. So this is what they lack in initially. They are generally not, they haven't spent much research, they haven't spent much time that what they are going to do. Definitely if a student is weak in maths, so he will definitely have challenges and difficulties if he selected the stream engineering. Similarly with the science, if a student have gone for medical sciences studies and he has some issues and understanding of science and biological aspects, so he will face challenges as well. So but this part is missing. Yes, now in a society, especially with parents, yes, we do compare, they do compare. Yes, my neighbor's son is doing engineering, let's our son also do engineering. So we have to understand, they have to understand and spend time on themselves what they are going to do, whether they are going to pursue their career as per their will or not. So these are the elements which will lead to career by accident. So last and foremost, most important point is also not sure how best to put the vision into action. Even some of those who are successful know some of the secrets but forget about others. Yes, this is the aspect. There are many successful people who got success because of their hidden skills and talent, but they are not ready to share the knowledge. So it's our first responsibility. If you know anything, share it first. The more you share, the more you can learn. Okay, so this is the aspect where many people are lag in. So this point, as I said earlier, there are engineers and doctors in each and every home, family, in each and every house you will find. So for example, there are cousin brothers are there who are successful engineers, but they don't suggest the right path. So that's what people, when get a certain level of status, when they get certain fixed pay, people tend to change. So we need to eliminate that. We need to help each other, each individual, for to live with peace for humanity. As I always say, remember, nobody is perfect and nothing is permanent. We need to help each other to live in peace for the humanity. Okay, we will move forward to next slide. This is the very important point which I thought to include here. Career depends on four elements, or you can say four pillars: character and conduct. What is your character and how you are going to conduct that? Okay. Self-confidence. Yes, confidence is an very important and intangible asset, very important and intangible asset, which each and every individual have, but eager to learn new things, willing to do the things, and challenge themselves, learn themselves. It will help to understand, to gain self-confidence. So self-confidence is required. Yes, what if I do engineering, what if I do that, what if I selected the job? They have to think positively and negatively. So in that way self-confidence will help. Yes, I can do that. Yes, definitely we can. There is a saying, a wise man said, whatever a man willingness to do, he can do, but he should be confident. So if you have confidence, you can change anything, you can create anything, you can achieve anything. Remember that. Willpower and self-discipline. Yes, the most and foremost important is self-discipline. After self-confident, after character, self-discipline plays an important role. Yes, according to the world, things may not getting right, but self-discipline is important. For example, if you have time, just watch Britain Got Talent. Sorry for the fumble. Britain Got Talent. In there you will find certain acts. Initially judges, initially red buzzer. Initially he or she got a red buzzer from judges, but with self-discipline and confidence, the moment they complete the act, they got golden buzzer. Watch that. So there is a painting of one lady I saw. She draw paintings, but initially everybody thought it's a worst painting, and she got red buzzer very early initially. But the moment she completed, believe me, all judges are, they said she deserved golden buzzer. So as we said earlier, there is a saying, don't judge the story of the book by seeing its cover. Positive thinking and moral values. A person who is a confident and with a good character, with self-discipline, always a positive thinkers. Okay, whoever thinks positive, things will have positive. Every aspect will have do's and don'ts. If you think of positive, if you think positive things will be fallen on your feet. Okay, so we need to be more careful on that. Think always positive. Be ready for change. Be confident. Yes, I can do that. I will do that. If things are not work out, definitely you will not. If, for example, don't try to give up. Always a second chance. Always there is a second chance. If you fail, always start again. But second time, what happens? Second time you will not start from scratch. Remember this point. You will not start from scratch. You will start from your experience. Now the fourth slide, communication skills and career. So how communication skills also important and play an important role. We will go through that. Effective communication skills play a crucial role in owning one's personality. Communication helps individuals to express themselves in the most convincing way. Okay, communication skills is an art of expressing our thoughts and hidden talents in a most convincing way. Okay, if you have the good communication, you can confuse people, you can convince people. Okay, what marketing people do, they convince you, at the same time they confuse you. People with great communication skill tend to have a better and impressive personality. Yes, to have a better personality, we should be self-confident, we should be self-disciplined, we should be a positive thinker, and we should possess a good communication skills, so that our body language and our tone whatever we are speaking, which should match with body language. Effective communication skills strengthen the bond among individuals. It is an important to be a good patient listener for effective communication skills. Many people, listen and reply immediately without thinking. So we need to eliminate that. We need to avoid that. We need to listen first what they are trying to say, then reply, understand and reply. We'll move to next slide. Techniques for career building. Okay, so here, after discussing about confidence, career by accident, and how effectively, so I have come up with a few of the techniques which will definitely help every individual to grow, to learn for good career. Here are the easy techniques which I have came across. It will help you in building a strong career. What are they? Take control. First point. Control yourself. Control your emotion. Control yourself. Don't give your remote control. Don't give your remote control of life in others' hand. Okay. Take control yourself. Dare to dream. Dare to dream big. If you dream big, then only you can achieve success. Okay. Be a rising star. Okay. Market yourself. How you will market yourself? There are plenty of online, since when I have started my job, my career, there are less opportunities for us. To be honest, we don't have much online platforms, online virtual interviews. We have to go to the interviews. We have to wait in the queues. If you go at 10 a.m. in the morning, you will come out after premises at 9 p.m. after only completing one round of interview. And we don't have internet facility at the time. Yes, I do use internet since I have completed my education. 30 rupees we receive 1 GB of internet at that time, so I use for my emails in my phone. But as I'm telling that we are not attached, or internet and mobile was not part of our family initially. Now it's a part of family. It's a part of our daily life. Without internet you cannot survive. Even a SOS, even in emergency situation, now it is playing an important role. Now the online education, which is successful, why? Because of internet and technology. So with the help of technology, market yourself. There are plenty of contents available which if you know anything, upload a content, market yourself. Recently, last month, if you remember, Mumbaikars, a undergraduate or graduate person, he applied for an internship at CRET. So he prepared one short video. The message, what he mentioned in that video, it was for automation, I think, automation or some visual 3D or something 3D course something. So the person, he prepared a short video in such a way that he got a good offer from CRET. CRET says we welcome you on board without even an interview. Then create a life balance. This is the most important part. Try to negotiate between your personal and professional life. We have to create a life balance so that any issues or any success or any moment in personal life, we should not reflect in professional life. Any issues in professional life should not affect your personal life. So we need to create a life balance. Be ready for change. Yes, Mahatma Gandhi, I will quote his best quote: be ready for the change if you wish to see the world. Mahatma Gandhi said, great Mahatma Gandhi, he said, be ready for the change if you wish to see the world. Yes, be confident. If you are confident, you can achieve anything, you can create anything, and you can change anything. Believe me, confidence play an important role. Believe me, in an interview I found one candidate. He is capable of everything. He is pursuing he is having a good academic background. and experience, but he fumbles in an interview, lack of confidence. Then we have, how do we develop personality? To have a great personality, to maintain a self-discipline, to maintain a good character, we need to develop personality. How we can do that? So I have noted here a few of the points. Let's go for each. Keep a smart head and keep cool. Okay, first and foremost, if any, don't react immediately. Yes, there might be a competition in the job market. Yes, there are less opportunities. Yes, you are not on the top, but still keep a smart head and keep cool. Yes, believe in yourself, believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that Allah ne rizq ka wa'da kiya hai, so we will definitely get that, but we have to try our best. Okay, don't copy anyone. Here the thing come, don't copy anyone. We cannot copy each and every individual. If you copying anyone, then you will definitely fail, because 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, but 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. In an example, what happens is, to test whether the students are copying or not, what teacher did, he have given one piece of paper written, do addition, 2 plus 2 is equal to, and beside that the student was sitting, he have given paper, please subtract 2 minus 2. So what they did, within 1 minute you have to do. So the person who have written 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, the other person also written 4. So here the logic comes. If teacher have given 2 multiply 2, then the answer will be 4 only. But since deduction is there, subtraction is there, answer change. So here we fail. So don't try to copy always. Okay, create your own personal style. Yes, create your own personal style. Don't copy anyone. Be a gentleman, be a humble, be a kind. Don't doubt yourself. Yes, here is the most important part. People with talent, yes, what's happened to me? I'm very unlucky since childhood. I don't know why. My cousins, my friends, everybody got job. I didn't got that. Why you doubt, boss? Why you doubt? Yes, fingers of your hand, 5 fingers of your hand are not same. Yes, they might be at 60%, you might be at 40%. Doesn't matter. Don't care. Okay, don't doubt yourself. Be an active listener. Please listen. As I said earlier, please listen. Learn to have patience and focus on your communication skills. Be patient. Patience is the only key. As I said, nobody is perfect. Nothing is permanent. Patience is the only key. Our turn will come. If not today, definitely tomorrow, inshallah. Be executive in dress. Okay, be polite in dress. Be formal dress. Always try to maintain a formal dress. Okay, be in executive dress. The reason is, it will improve your lifestyle. It will become a habit in your lifestyle. Don't shout or be aggressive. This is the last and foremost point. I read somewhere that intelligent people don't shout and they are not aggressive with group of people. The reason is they find insult to their intellectual. Okay, so this is the most important point. Don't frustrate, don't be aggressive. So we are here last slide. 10 actions that always helps in career. Appreciate what you have. Okay, focus on things that really matters. Define your own meaning of life and pursue it. Find the balance that allows you to be who you truly are. Love your body enough to take care of it. Okay, do proper diet, do proper exercise, join gym, maintain a good personality, focus on things that really matter to you. Appreciate what you have. Don't compare yourself with others. Limit your time with negative people. This is the important point. If anybody is with negative feeling, leave them behind. Okay, because people are behind you for a reason. Okay, treat others the way you wanted to be treated. Give respect, take respect. Embrace life changes, challenges. Yes, challenges are a part of life. We do often do mistakes. We cannot learn from run from our mistakes. We can only learn. Set a good example. Okay, accept what is and live for the possibilities that lie ahead. Tomorrow is uncertain. Tomorrow we may die. I'm not sure. We are not sure. So give your best today. Do not postpone anything for tomorrow. Okay. So these are the 7 slides which I thought to come up with, and we have to we have to improve our communication skills. We have to manage or learn how to manage career. Inshallah, this will help you in understanding and maintaining a good career. For any further queries as such, please do subscribe, like and comment me. I will definitely get back to you, and you can and you can connect with me easily. So, and do if you have for any job, further job notifications, job postings, do subscribe and do follow our group called Job Hunt Career Coaches at Facebook. So we have started this last year. Alhamdulillah, there is a progress in that. So do follow that as well. You will definitely feel the difference, inshallah Rabbul Izzat. So that's all from my end. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe.